What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. Which of the following is an input device? Keyboard. What is the brain of the computer? CPU. Which of these is a web browser? Google Chrome. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. Which one is not an operating system? MS Office. What type of storage is a hard disk? Secondary. Which of the following is a programming language? Python. The internet was first developed in USA. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. Which device connects computers in a network? Router. Which is used to storage permanent data? ROM. Which one is an output device? Monitor. The main page of a website called home page. Which of the following is an email service? Gmail. The computer's temporary memory is called RAM. The unit of measurement of computer memory is bytes. Which of the following is a mobile operating system? Android. Which software is used for spreadsheets? MS Excel. To copy text, which shortcut key is used? Ctrl C.